From Uttar Pradesh, where Samajwadi Party leader and former minister in the UP government Azam Khan has hit back at Muslim cleric Kalbe Jawad's allegations that he had committed fraud to the tune of 400 crore rupees with the Waqf land. Azam Khan has said that the allegations levelled against him are absolutely baseless and that he is willing to submit to a probe if required. Shia cleric Kalbe Jawad had demanded a CBI inquiry into the SP leader. He had accused Azam Khan of committing fraud to the tune of 400 crore rupees and selling off Waqf land to his relatives. Mr. Jawad's allegations had received support from UP Cabinet Minister Mohsin Raza. Azam Khan has countered those allegations. While Jawad's allegations are based on a personal vendetta, this is what Azam Khan is claiming. Listen.
जवाद नकवी साहब अपने दामाद के लिए हमारे पास आए थे जब हम वजीर थे। वो शिया वक्फ बोर्ड का उन्हें चेयरमैन बनाना चाहते थे, लेकिन क्योंकि उनके ऊपर करप्शन चार्जेस थे, मैंने कहा कि हम नहीं बना सकते। इसका इलेक्शन होगा, आप चुनाव लड़के जीत जाइए। जिस शख्स के पास चुनाव लड़ने के लिए पर्चा नामजदगी के लिए भी एक आदमी न हो, जाहिर है वो चुनाव नहीं लड़ सके। जीतना तो बहुत दूर की बात थी। इसलिए कल्बे जवाद नकवी साहब हम पर से दुश्मनी के लिए उतारू हैं।
जिनकी वजह से सारी बेईमानियां हुई, वरना अगर ये ईमानदार होते तो वक्फ बोर्ड में बेईमानियां नहीं हो सकती थी। और के बिल्डर एग्रीमेंट्स किए गए नाजायज तरीके से, और उसकी वजह से बहुत से औकाफ जो है बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो गए, डिलीट हो गए और तबाह बर्बाद हो गए। इसमें मेन हाथ जो है वो आजम खान साहब का है, और इसमें जो भी औकाफ बिके हैं उसमें से इनका भी शेयर रहा। एक शहर सहारनपुर में CBCID की रिपोर्ट ये कि 400 करोड़ का घोटाला, एक शहर में 400 करोड़ का घोटाला। तो अंदाजा कीजिए कि इतने शहर यूपी में और इतने औकाफ में कितना बड़ा घोटाला होगा।
अभी तो हम कलेक्शन कर रहे हैं, जो हमारे पास आ रहे हैं, खासकर कंप्लेंट्स आ रही हैं, उसका कलेक्शंस हम कर रहे हैं। तो ये बहुत बड़ा इशू निकल कर आया है। मुझे लगता है कि 10 सालों का बड़ा ज़बरदस्त भ्रष्टाचार है, और मुझे तो बड़ा अफसोस हुआ देखकर कि पिछली सरकारों में जो भी मंत्री रहे उनको इस देखना चाहिए था, उनकी जिम्मेदारी थी। मैं जाँच कर रहा हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे नाम आएंगे इसमें।
All right, India Today's Deputy Editor Shiv Pujan Jha is with me for more on that. Shiv, both parties are levying really serious allegations on each other. But are their allegations based or backed by evidence?
Well, Kalbe Jawad had furnished a set of documents which very categorically indicated that there was rampant corruption in the Waqf board. And since the Waqf board is in possession of huge patches of land, the land that has become very, very costly now in most of the important cities across UP. And since Azam Khan was at the helm of affairs, definitely fingers are being pointed at Azam Khan. Azam Khan has tried to give a twist to the whole corruption charges against him. But then the present minister is also indicating that various complaints have come to him. The present government is also examining, it is investigating the whole issue. Earlier when I interacted with Mohsin Raza, he very categorically said that till that point in time when he was speaking to us yesterday, till that point in time, according to rough estimates, it has already, the corruption is already ranging in the roughly up to 500 crores of rupees. And this is bound to increase because the Waqf board land has been really misused. There has been rampant corruption, and there has been a close nexus of the Waqf board authorities as well as those at higher ups, higher positions. The land has been sold. It has been sold to landlords. At various other places, there has been land misuse. So definitely Kalbe Jawad has submitted documentary evidence to that effect, and he has been demanding a thorough probe into the whole matter. It remains to be seen where does the investigation lead, but right now charges are flying from almost all corners. New names have started tumbling in the whole issue.
Yeah, Shiv, it's a very crucial case because 400 crore amount is not a small amount, and whatever allegations are these, there must be a probe. Shifting focus to another big story.